Bullish Theta organization, Theta, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.41 and $6.44 by 2030. Market examiners accept Theta could reach $2.65 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.606573. Theta organization, Theta, presentation Theta's local cryptographic money is likewise called Theta, Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two sorts of hubs on the Theta organization: ordinary hubs and asset-rich gatekeeper hubs. Standard hubs procure awards for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs acquire considerably bigger prizes for confirming blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the critical elements of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client as opposed to at an incorporated area. This lessens idleness and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferable streaming encounter over conventional CDNs. One more significant component of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with negligible effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web clog by appropriating traffic among numerous ways at the same time. How Theta functions. The main thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video web-based stage like YouTube or Jerk. It's likewise a decentralized organization fueled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share transmission capacity and processing assets on a P2P premise. As such, Theta is intended to be a more productive and decentralized approach to web-based video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are conveyed at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can diminish inactivity and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet chips away at an agreement instrument that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards, the stage gives top-notch streams low idleness, and clients can acquire compensations for giving data transmission assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has serious areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. Theta organization is at present worth $0.758217 United States dollars. Theta has moved 2.45% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $14,880,306. Theta organization is at present position 57 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $758,216,736 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization, Theta, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation. What is Theta organization's not so distant future? Can this token support its worth or conceivably expansion and cost? We should investigate a few master points of view and examinations to get a feeling of where Theta might head. The live Theta organization cost today is affected by various elements including news about the crypto and blockchain industry, as well as big business conferencing and advanced promoting patterns which use Theta's edge processing assets. Different things, for example, marking Theta tokens or utilizing the organization's data transmission assets, can likewise influence Theta's cost disclosure components and lead to increments or diminishes in Theta's worth on some random day. Taking a gander at Theta from a drawn-out viewpoint, we accept the coin is a wise speculation at its ongoing cost. We anticipate that the cost of Theta should keep on ascending before very long and arrive at new all-time highs before the year's over. There are a few motivations behind why we accept that Theta has the potential for huge development before very long. First and foremost, the quantity of web clients keeps on developing quickly, particularly in nations like India and China. Furthermore, utilization levels in created markets like the US are now very high, however there is still space for development as additional individuals become happy with utilizing on the web administrations. Theta is likewise profiting from positive opinion encompassing blockchain innovation. The stage utilizes blockchain to give great streams low inactivity, and clients can acquire awards for giving transfer speed assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Theta organization, Theta, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Forecast 2023. Theta Organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Theta. The Theta cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1.14. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.06 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of $0.90986. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Theta Organization Theta cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $1.90. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Theta's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.52 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.67. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.65 and Theta might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.43 and a low of $2.27 in 2025. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Theta Organization effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2026. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.41. With a base cost of $3.03 and a typical cost of $3.18. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.94 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.79 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Theta has a most extreme value worth of $4.17. Theta Organization, Theta, Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come associations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.70. In the event that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $4.93, neglecting